In this TeamWork 5 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default page that appears when you log into your account. I'm usually there to look at my schedule, so I want that to be the page that appears. In order to change my default page, I need to go up to the top menu bar and click on Settings. Once I click on Settings, the information page will have come up, and the top menu bar will have changed to the Settings options. In order to change my default page, I need to go to the Preferences tab. Click on Preferences in the top menu bar. Now the Preferences page should have appeared. In the top box titled Home, you should find your default page setting. If you click the arrow, a drop-down menu will pop up. Notice that you have 6 choices for your default page: Home, Calendar, Schedule, Swapboard, Clock, and Card. Like I said, I'm usually here to look at my schedule, so I'm going to change it to that. Now, in order for that change to take effect, I do need to save it. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen, and you'll find a blue Save button. Click on Save. If your save was successful, a green bar should have appeared next to the blue Save button, stating when the page was last saved. And that's all you have to do. Check out the next video to learn how to change your calendar settings from days to weeks to months.